Good morning, children. We are learning about the wireless networks. When you talk about the wireless networks and wired network, the wireless network will work without wires and wired network will work with wires. So, today let us discuss about the wired network. What is the wired network? A wired network setup which uses physical cables to transfer data between different devices and computer system. When you are using this wired network, we use three types of cables: coaxial cable, optical fiber cable, twisted pair cable. So let us see what are these types and what is the advantage and disadvantage of using the different type of cable. First, let us discuss about the twisted pair cable. The twisted pair cable used for networking is of two types: shielded and unshielded. Simple shielded means one will be covered. Unshielded means it won't be covered. So, an Ethernet cable is a type of twisted pair. It is used to connect two networks devices directly. The device can be a computer or switch. If you see in this one, this is the shielded twisted pair cable. In this cable means nothing but wire. So many different wires are there. Those are connected together and they were twisted and they made as a pairs. Pair means nothing but two wires made as one twist. So the advantage of this is that it provides the high data transfer speeds and are not very expensive. Next one is it will consume very less power. Third one is simple to install. Next one is disadvantage. The disadvantage is that Ethernet cable are difficult to troubleshoot. Diagnose the fault. Ethernet cord must be present inside the computer for connecting the ether cables. The next one is the coaxial cable. A coaxial cable connects off a center copper wire surrounded by an outer jacket. It is used to connect the cable companies to connect television sets to the antennas. The advantage: coaxial cable are inexpensive and can carry data over long distances. Coaxial cable has an excellent noise immunity because of its thick outer covering. They are light, flexible, and easy to work with. Coaxial cable is more resistant to interference and attention, the loss of signal strength, than twisted pair cable. Disadvantages. The disadvantages are cables are used copper conductors can easily break. Thick coaxial cables do not bend easily and thus are difficult to install and maintain. Last one is fiber optical cable. Today it is become the very famous. You can say central government is encouraging as well as the state government. AP FiberNet is also one of the best example for the fiber optical cable. The advantage of this cable is that the information can be sent very fast and HD display will be there. It is easy to install. An optical fiber cable uses the glass threads mainly. If you see, small thin threads are there to transmit data, each of which is capable of transferring messages in the form of light waves. These network cables are bendable despite being made up of glass. The advantage that easy to install, being light in weight, provides very high data transmission speed and carries enormous information at once. It provides low error rate and ensures the Secure transmission. Disadvantages. Fragile. It can break easily because it was made with glass. Needs special care to install them. High cost of installation. Children, this is about the wired network, cables and wired network. In the next class, we discuss about the wireless network technology. All the best.